Stop playing with me. Stop playing. All right. So, where do I start, right? Where do I start? By start. All right. So, let me start it off, right? Let me start it off. So, you see a lot of my fans be badging me and be dragging me because they don't like when I address things. They don't like when I address things. They don't like when, like, people that, like, are down here. They don't like when people that are down here start with me. They don't like when I respond to them. But sometimes it's like bitches will pick until you bite their fucking finger off. And I'm going to talk to you guys about this little situation about me and this girl. So let me tell you about this situation about me and this girl, right? So I put this record out, right? I put this record, like what, right? Sampling the Missy Elliott beat. And this girl on Twitter, she subbed me. She threw me a little sub on Twitter and everything. And I ignored it. Because it's a sub with no name. So it's like, I'm just going to ignore you. I don't know why she would be upset about that. Because so many people have sampled that beat. Flo Milli, the boy named Slim God, some shit like that. He sampled the beat. But you know, the girl subbed me because she think that I probably copied her because she got a song out with the same beat. But that's why I put on my Instagram channel the day that I did the song. I did the song last year. Early. All right, whatever. I ignored that, right? Then the second time that she subbed me, she subbed me, but my name was included in it. I don't know if somebody tagged me and she responded to it. Now that my name is in it, now you addressing me. So when you address me and it's not a sub, I'm going to address you. So I got her number and I called her, right? I called her and I recorded it because you just never know with these hoes. I recorded it and I'm not even going to lie. The conversation started very nasty. It started very nasty, very aggressive. I was coming at her and she was coming at me. But then I called her back because, and look, I ain't lying. I got the whole conversation. I could put the whole 35 minutes up. Like, I had the whole conversation.
Because you saying that I'm copying you. And also, this is my thing though, right?
Yeah. No, the conversation started real nasty, right? It started real nasty. And then I called her back because I'm so appalled at the fact that she thinks that I'm copying her or that I'm stealing from her. Because there's nothing that she do that I like. I don't like her music. I don't like her style. I don't like how she look. I don't like nothing about her. I don't even see the bitch. So it's like more or less. But the conversation, I called her back because I wanted to make it very clear. Like, it's like, girl, when I did my first song, like what? I been did it before you put it out. And then Enough, which she thinks that I copy her ad-libs and whatever the fuck, something with the beat. It's like, girl, this is the day that I called her and we ended up the conversation on a very great note. So I sent her, I don't know if y'all see this. The date is April 14, 2022. This is when I first received the beat for Enough, right? And I sent it to her. So this is when I first received the beat for Enough. And this is when I first recorded. Don't make fun of me, y'all. I sounded chopped. I was putting the words on it, so I sound crazy. I recorded Enough on May 18, 2022. I want y'all to see the date. I recorded Enough May 18th. The first time I ever put my vocals, May 18th, 2022. Okay. So, you know, I really wanted to prove to her that, like, yo, I never copied you. I never anything. So, you know, on that conversation, we ended up very well. She told me, like, what was her issues with me? And I told her, like, well, I never really have an issue with you and whatever. The conversation ended up great. It started off nasty and then it ended great. All right, cool. So fast forward, the enough video came out. She subbed me again after we just spoke a couple of days ago, she subbed me again, and she's claiming that, like, I copied a music video of hers, and she posted the music video. Now, I'm actually going to show y'all my creative mood board that I did with Patience, because I want to prove to y'all that, like, everything that she claimed that I copied her from, I been did the songs, and I will, when it comes to style, video, anything, I will never copy you, girl. I'm not you, never you. Where's the documents? Where is it at? So this is when, no, hold on. Where is it? I want to make sure I got the right one, not the scams. Cause I was supposed to put this song out last year. What is it, Little Bear? All right. So I was supposed to put the song out last year, right? And look at the date, 5/23. I don't want to show y'all my everything. Look at the creative. Hold on. Look at the creative, right? This is the creative for the Enough video. As y'all can see, this is the creative for the Enough video. I was supposed to do it last year, but we changed our mind. Whatever. All right, cool. So, like I said, after we got off the phone and the music video came out, she claimed that I'm copying now with the music video style. And it's like, oh. So it was never about a misunderstanding. And it is more than a phone call. Like, it's like, you doing internet shit. Whatever. Whole point is, I ignored her. Whatever. Then, fast forward, I don't know if it's 3 weeks, a month. Y'all make the dates. Y'all put the dates. She put out this remix song and everything, and she threw slugs at me at the song, and it's like, oh, that's what you wanted to do. Okay, now see, that's what you wanted to do. You wanted some type of beef with me. That's what you wanted. Okay. So I know that too. You got your 10,000 fucking streams. Congratulations. Good for you. I ignored it. Whatever. And I want to make this very clear. Before, like, what came out, I have never subbed this girl. Never subbed her. Never dissed her on a song. Never played her. I don't know her like that. I never had an issue with her. So y'all could go up and down Twitter's, Instagram, never subbed her. Y'all can hear all my songs. I never subbed her, never this. I never had an issue with the bitch. So, like I said, fast forward, she threw slugs on me on a song and everything. And it's like, oh, this is what it was about. You wanted to start some type of beef with me type shit. I ignored it too. I ignored it. Y'all saw me, I ignored it. I didn't even give a fuck. Couple of weeks later and everything, some girl from Atlanta, she's me and Offset's friend. And she hit somebody up from my team, like, yo. There's this rumor going around that there's like a tape of Cardi, like a sex tape of Cardi. And I was like, me? Impossible, bitch. Impossible. There's none. I told him, like, it's like a sex tape of me. I'll pay somebody $1 million cash. I would even wire it. I'll cash it. Don't even send it to my phone. Don't send it to my phone. Put it on social media. Put it out. Put it out. Because I know me. Y'all know me. Like, you know what I'm saying? It's like, whatever. So then, I'm like, fuck that. I want to talk. I hit up the girl myself. And I'm like, yo, where's this rumor coming from? And it's like, yeah, it's coming from Shorty. It's coming from her. And it's like, huh? So I'm like, what do you mean? It's like, yeah, she showed the video to this producer that he's very close to Offset. Like, they're like this. And that she showed it to another rapper. And I'm like, okay, I'm going to get to the bottom of it. So I called the producer, but he talked to Offset. And he told Offset, I ain't seen the video, but Shorty's saying that she got some shit on your bitch. And if your girl, like, reply back, like to whatever the fuck she put out, she's gonna post the video or some shit like that. I'm like, all right, whatever. So I called the rapper too, and the rapper is like, I ain't never heard nothing. So I'm like, you know what? I'm gonna just keep it professional, and I'm gonna get to the thick of it. Cause I wonder if, like, I was wondering if it's like a rumor that somebody's making up, because, you know, everybody knows that me and her are, like, not in the greatest thing. So I don't know if there's like a rumor that people's making up trying to be messy between me and her. So I got to the thick of it. And I got my manager, call her manager. And I'm going to show y'all. Because I don't play that shit. Think about me, think about you, that's that me espresso. All right. So.
Video or I don't know nothing about the video. She said I did like stay.
Yeah.
I was saying that though, was like really trying to work you up. You gotta.
Yeah, I honestly feel like it's somebody, probably a messy person from Atlanta. I feel like,
You know, so, oh, it was me. So, whole point is, right? I was trying to get to the bottom of it. I want to know if she's saying it, or I want to know if it's somebody from, you know, just trying to be messy. So, it was like, okay, I feel like maybe it was somebody trying to be messy, but I find it very weird because the producer is standing 10 toes down that she told him some shit about me. And it's like, saying that ain't adding up. Like, I don't like this. Like, saying ain't adding up. Like, saying ain't adding up. So fast forward, I put my record out. Yes, no, not my record. I put this remix out. And, you know, Shorty feeling a certain type of way or whatever. So niggas send me this. They send me her little diss record that she got. And this is what she's saying. Hold up. That's the me espresso. I don't play that shit. And y'all see how I come. Where is it? What Shorty's saying.
Giving that pussy for free and they selling it too. Supposed to be married, I know a nigga fucking on you. I tell him to school. How you mad he cheating on you? Bitch, tell him the truth. I'm getting head in the truck.
Let me repeat it again.
Giving that pussy for free and they selling it too. Supposed to be married, I know a nigga fucking on you. I tell him to school. How you mad he cheating on you? Bitch, tell him the truth. I'm getting head in the truck.
So now that I put things together, it's like, oh, so you was going around telling people that it's close to my nigga that I'm fucking on niggas. And I thought that it was somebody trying to be messy, trying to start some shit between me and you. But now that I see the fake diss record that you trying to put out, that was you all along. And it's like, this is my thing, right? There's so many people on Twitter say so many crazy shit about me. They talk about my face. They talk I can't rap and this and that. You could come at me at any angle. You gonna lie on my pussy? Bitch, you lying on my fucking pussy? When you lie about my pussy, I'ma sue you. And you gotta come with receipts. And not social media receipts. You gotta come with court receipts. Because one thing you're not gonna do, you're not gonna lie on my pussy, and you're not gonna lie about me stepping out on my shit. There has been so many rumors about me, and I got so many fucking ops. I got bloggers, there's ops. And, oh, yeah, and then she's saying this, right? Then she posted this on her little Finsta. Hold up, I got it. She talking about, bitch, I'm not Tasha K. Girl, Ask Tasha K. She could even lie on my pussy, girl. She could even lie. Ask her. Tasha K could even lie on my pussy. So how you lying on my pussy? Hold up. She talking about this offensive. She talking about good luck. You think I'm Tasha K. And she put some bullshit like this. Then she putting another song. I don't know if this song is about me or not. I don't care. Then she posted this thing. I don't know who's Adam, but she talking about, hey Adam, I can see it. Tell him the truth, the record that I just paid y'all. Belkali said, if I drop this song, she gonna sue me. Is that valid? Now, like I said, you could diss me. We could go battle for battle. But for you to lie on my pussy, and you know what's so crazy? Even before I put out this remix and shit, you was trying to go around and tell niggas to get close to my nigga to put that lie about me. First, I wanna make this very clear, right? I wanna make this very clear. Sweetheart. My security is this close with my nigga. I got security. Every house that I stay in, I got security that my man contracted, that he pays for me and my children's safety, or whenever the fuck I go, he pays for. So ain't no, any in and out movements that I do, my nigga know. Second of all, like I said, bitch, lying on my pussy, bitch, will get you sued. And I will get every little fucking red penny that you ever fucking make, bitch. Every money that you make off your publishing, bitch. So find something safe to do, bitch. You want to talk about you not Tasha K. You're right. Ask Tasha K. She tried when she tried to lie that shit on me. What happened? Ask her. You're not Tasha K, bitch. You're actually fucking dumb. Also, I just don't understand. Like, this is my thing. If any bitch want a rap battle or do whatever the fuck, more or less, I feel like she's so beneath me that I feel like I never had to. But it's like, when you go around lying on me and lying on my pussy, and then it's like, you doing lies that is like, you trying to mess with my home. Like, you trying to mess with my house. And it's like, to me, like, that's beyond rap shit. Like, to me, that's like, yo, that's some real hating ass shit. And it's crazy because not only is that some real hating ass bitch shit, but it's like, I'm not perfect. My life is not perfect. You know what I'm saying? And I'm in a great place in my career. Whether I drop music or not, I'm still one of the top female rappers. When I don't drop music or when I'm dropping music, I'm one of the most streamed and most talked about bitch, even when I'm laying down at home. So that's one. However, when it comes to my career, I feel like I have a dream. I have a dream that I want to accomplish, and I will never tell nobody, and I'm going to tell y'all when I accomplish that dream. When it comes to my marriage, I don't have the perfect marriage. Y'all know what it is. I got my vices. Offset got his vices. We're not perfect. But one thing for sure is I'm rich as fuck. I'm successful as fuck in my career. I got beautiful kids. When it comes to my marriage, I don't got the perfect marriage. But one thing I got a nigga that steps 10 toes behind me on everything. Any nigga, matter of fact, Jason Lee just got on it. Ask him. Every nigga that ever try to play me on some internet shit, or every nigga that try to play me in the streets, my nigga pressed or my nigga slapped. And y'all wouldn't even know about it. But people know what's up. My niggas all the time 10 steps behind me. When I got into this industry, niggas was stealing money from me. Ever since I got married, nobody has stolen money from me. No lawyers, no accountants, no nothing. I have a special bond with my nigga. Always. I'ma always have a special bond with my nigga. Look at Star. Steps. Yeah, bitch, steps. We're not perfect, but we got a bond. For you to try to come and lie on my pussy and say some shit like that, and it's like, oh, so, and then like you trying to put it on a song, bitch. Bitch, put it on a song and put receipts out, bitch. Put receipts out. Put it. Because you can't lie about my pussy with no fucking receipts. And when you lie about my pussy, make sure them shits is legit. Cause bitch, I'ma take you to court. You could diss me all you want. You could talk about, oh, how I look, how I can't rap, blah, 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 whatever the fuck. I don't give a fuck. And since we here, go ahead, go stream BIA music. Give her some streams, guy. She needs to recoup her publishing. She needs to recoup her publishing. And I came here with all type of receipts. I will put all the conversations up. I will put the conversations of me and her when we first talked on the phone. How I started it. It started out very nasty. It started very unprofessional. You know, I get ghetto. But we ended up the conversation very nicely. You still kept going to the internet dissing me. You went to the internet dissing me. You claiming after we had the conversation, you went and you started saying that I copied your music video. Then what else you did? Then you fucking did a record. You dissed me on it. Alright, whatever, I ignore you. Then you going around lying about my pussy to my man's boys and shit. What? Now that I said something about you, I addressed you on a song, it's like, oh, so it was you that was going around saying that because you put it on a song. You want to go, alright, so I'm going to address you with it. I'm going to address you with it. I don't play that shit. There's attention you want it. You want streams. You want, I don't know. I'm going to share my platform with you. I'm going to share it here. Please go to her Spotify. Go to her, go to her Spotify. Go to her Apple. It's crazy. Yo, it's so crazy. Like, and it's crazy because when I called her on the phone, I wanted clarity. And that's exactly what we got. We ended the conversation with clarity, but you kept going. And the thing about it is that it's like, at first, when she kept dissing me after, I was like, damn, maybe she's doing it for clout. You know, I'm Cardi B. Bitch is going to always look for clout when it comes to me. But when she started doing that rumor shit, it's like, damn, it's more than clout. It's jealousy. It's jealousy, because what bitch will lie on another bitch pussy? That's jealousy. What the bitch will lie about another bitch pussy? That's jealousy. That's some jealous, hating bitch shit. You hate the marriage. You hate that I'm spoiled. You hate that a nigga that will beat a nigga up for me. You hate the fact that I'm super successful, bitch.
Unknown caller.
Oh shit, that's my chef. Hold on. Hi, baby. Oh, you here? Okay. Hold on. I'm gonna let my security know. Oh yeah. Oh, you see me on live. I'm talking shit. Hold. Wait for me right there with that fool. Wait for me right there with that fool, honey. He know I'm on live. He know I'm talking about shit. So, and bitches just hate on the fact that it's you, bitch. Bitches hate on the fact that people love you. Bitches hate on the fact that anything. And it's like I'm just so baffled because I'm just so baffled. Like, hold on, let me replay it again. Cause you want to put this is what you want to put out. So, bitch, why you ain't tell him the scoop? Why you ain't tell him the scoop? You know Offset. Why you ain't tell him the scoop? Why you ain't tell him? Go ahead, tell him. Because you ain't had nothing to say, bitch. You want to take it to the internet. You want to put lies and shit. You want to get your little stream up. You want to get your shit up. Nipples. Somebody said nipples. It's always out. So, yeah. And like I said, I talk with receipts, bitch. Real shit. But that's the type of shit that I be dealing with behind closed doors. I never even addressed it. All of this shit been happening ever since I put out like what? Mind you, I never subbed this girl a day in her life. A day in her life. Actually, she has gone to a couple of people saying like, yo, I don't have a problem with Cardi. And I told my people like, yeah, I don't have a problem with her. I never had a problem with her. Like, the internet is going to always make things a problem because you know how it is, like the choosing side shit. But I always I always let her know to the people that be like, yo, I don't have a problem with her. That is like, I don't ever have a problem with her. And I told her that shit on the phone. Because she brought, you know what? I'm not even going to say about nothing that the conversation that went on the phone. Because when time comes, I'm just going to put the whole 36 minutes. I'm going to put the whole 36 minutes. I don't got to talk about the things that we spoke on. All I got to tell you is that I know I proved my point. And my point was, I was trying to prove to her, like, yo, I never copied you. Like, you're never a thought in my head. Like, I don't want to dress like you. I don't want to look like you. I don't want to rap like you. I don't listen to your music. I don't know what the fuck you be doing, bitch. Cause I don't even look at you. You're not interesting to me. So you might be interesting to somebody else. Like, I'm not saying that you suck or anything, like, but you just not somebody that I see. So I just really wanted to get that shit very clear. But other than that, we talked about different type of things. And I'm not going to talk about that. I'm just going to, like, if she asked me to put the conversation, I'll put the whole conversation. Like, it's a 30, 40-minute conversation. I can make, I can make money off it from YouTube, I guess, if y'all want to hear it. You know what I'm saying? And I will put the conversation of me and her manager saying, like, yo, that rumor shit, like, that shit is fake, everything, like, everything. I could put the conversation with me and the girl saying it, like, yo, yeah, it came from, this girl is selling that to this producer and saying all of that. I could do all of that. Like, I got my shit step by step, because one thing I noticed is that these bitches be lying, and you gotta make sure that you got your shit. Now, my chef is waiting for me outside. I'm gonna eat and I'm gonna feast. Stop playing with me.